Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the constant clutter and never-ending cleaning tasks in your home? You're not alone. Imagine coming home, not to chores, but to a space that's consistently clean and organized, where your time is spent enjoying the comfort of your home rather than maintaining it. Meet MyHousekeeper, your daily solution to a perpetually clean home. Unlike standard cleaning services that come weekly or bi-weekly, the MyHousekeeper cleaning services can visit multiple times per week, ensuring your home stays spotless and well-managed, adapting to your unique needs and preferences. Choose our premium service for an even more tailored experience, including basic meal preparation and priority scheduling, allowing you more luxury and ease in your daily life. With MyHousekeeper, experience the comfort of a well-cared-for home and reclaim your time and peace of mind. Reach out to us today at www.myhousekeeper.co.